Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the tools you need and then opening storage. Install a file manager that supports Android's storage access framework. Once done, open it and grant full access to internal shared storage. Make sure to enable developer options if you plan to use ADB for a backup or transfer. Once developer options are on, keep USB debugging off until you connect securely. This gets you to the internal storage view, where the Android directory and the OB folder live. You now navigate and retrieve the OBB content. In your file manager, go to Internal Shared Storage, open the Android folder, then tap OB, look for the folder named after the apps package. Once inside, you can copy or move the OB files using the apps copy or export functions. Make sure the file manager uses Storage Access Framework so Android allows writes. Alternatively, connect via USB and use a db pull/SD card /Android/OB/ package name to copy files to your PC. Finish by verifying you've copied or moved the correct files and that file permissions are intact. You should confirm the package folder name matches the app exactly and that the OB file size aligns with expectations. If you hit permission errors, use a db shell ls to inspect or run as package. Name to access app-owned files. If files seem missing, make sure Android's scoped storage or the device maker's restrictions aren't blocking access. That is the most common cause when the OB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.